Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic in Corris Grey. This is a 3 litre diesel. It's next due for a service in March 2022 and has previously had 2 owners. You have 21-inch alloys with a silver finish, privacy glass, a powered tailgate, plenty of space there in the back, but you can also put the seats down for extra room. An electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one and is also discreet when you're not using it. Carrying on around the car, you also have privacy glass to keep personal items safe. Keyless entry, so if I lock the car, I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key is nearby. Illuminated Range Rover scripted tread plates and a gorgeous ebony leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day or if you just want a bit of fresh air. And you do also have a sun blind that you can pull across. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you are driving. Grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or push it back down for auto. Heated front seats, which are a real luxury especially in winter. And you do also have heated seats in the back, keeping all passengers happy. Sat nav if you're ever in an area you're not familiar with, and you also have a 2D and 3D option depending on your own preference. Bluetooth so you can connect your phone and make calls whilst on the go, and a rear view camera which makes parking and reversing so much easier. You also have eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter and cruise control, which is handy when driving along the motorway, and a heated steering wheel. Memory seats, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car. And this car has done 31,681 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a lovely Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.